SparkED is a project in Enactus UL who represented Ireland in the Enactus World Cup 2021. Since its establishment in 2017, SparkED has worked with hundreds of second-level students across numerous secondary schools. SparkED is a youth leadership programme that empowers young people to take their future into their own hands, being a leader within themselves and the wider community.
Traditionally, workshops were conducted in person, but due to the pandemic, we had to change our programme delivery, resulting in the creation of our website, SparkED.ie. This gave us the opportunity to provide students with even more valuable resources.
Our programme consists of 6 workshops that teach valuable life skills, including CV skills, interview skills, time management and study skills, volunteering, computer skills and presentation skills. Each workshop has an interactive element such as making a CV, making a presentation, creating a fundraiser. We also give feedback on student CVs.
We have numerous college course guides from students in various courses in colleges around Ireland. We have a career guide section and expanding career journey section in which working professionals explain how they got to where they are and give useful advice.
We also have Leaving Cert subject guides from students who already completed them. We provide useful how-to guides in areas such as HERE, DARE and CAO.
As well as this, we provide live workshops for students throughout the year, providing insight into areas such as law, engineering and entrepreneurship.
I participated in SparkED when I was in TY and I really enjoyed it. So when I became a UL student, I was very excited to be able to volunteer. SparkED taught me lots of valuable skills that I still use today. I highly recommend getting involved, as it's a great opportunity to expand your skill set and have fun while doing so.